Alright, here we got the Blitz RC Works P-51 Mustang. Used that I bought. See if we can get this thing in the air or not today. Well, probably not today, but at least get it working. Those don't feel too bad. This aileron is alright. This flap feels a little bit weak. Not sure if we can tighten that up or not. We shall find out. You alright, dog? What do you think, huh? Oh yeah, and the prop on it isn't exactly true as far as not being slightly bent, so we have a brand new one here in a box. You alright? You're more important than the airplane, so alright. So we can use this guy for parts. I'm going to go ahead and steal the prop adapter off of this. Get the prop at least spinning true. This was a StarMax 1600 millimeter wingspan. StarMax. Serious.